Hey, I'm Lance, the Install Guy. Today on Enhance Your Ride, we're talking about truck accessories that don't cost a fortune and how you can ball on a budget. So if you got a budget, say around $100, there's still options for you. You got like bug shields, vent visors, WeatherTech mats, basic tube step, and there's probably some other ones out there I'm forgetting. On this budget, I was starting the bed with a bed mat because you gotta protect your bed. As your budget increases, so does your options. 250 range U, leveling kits, light bars, rock lights, halo headlights. I mean, there's stuff that you can do for around that, range. Mirrors. Around $250 range accessory. I go for it first. Light bars. You gotta be able to see. Any off-roading, you're gonna need light bars so you can see where you're going. The one thing I like about light bars is the modularity of them. For a budget-conscious person, light bars are perfect because they're different sizes. You can add them as you need to, and you can add as many as you want. So in the $500 range, you're starting to flirt with performance and not just truck accessories. That's really cool because you're able to modify the truck and the drivetrain. So in your $500 range, your performance parts would be a programmer and a cold air intake. At the $500 range, there's still a lot of accessories. Nicer steps, wetter coil seat covers, toolboxes, grill guards, bigger light bars. I mean, it's out there. If I was in the $500 range, the accessory I would start with would be a grill guard. It'll step up your light bar game and add tons of protection to your truck. So no matter what your budget is, there's something out there for you and your truck. Not only will it make it look better, it'll make it function better. I hope this information helps you so you can start balling on a budget.